Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in. Cheese, braids, weaves, and wigs, service in Northern California. Fam, today, together, let's achieve a stunning hair weave in no time with this quick and easy tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through the simplest and most effective way to get a beautiful hair weave even with hair loss. Yes, ladies, as you can see, my client does have some significant, severe hair loss in the front and at the top. But with this easy to follow video with simple steps, I would like for you to join me as I challenge myself to create a quick and easy hair weave that anyone can follow, again, even with hair loss. Again, as you can see, my client here, she has some severe alopecia in the front, around her edges, and in the middle, as you can see here. But no more worries, ladies. I am here to help, and I am super excited to share with you a hair weave that's perfect for busy individuals without breaking the bank or spending hours at a salon. As you can see, this is my custom closure. Yes, I have custom closures that are handmade by myself. And that's what I'm using today to achieve this quick and easy sew-in hair weave with no glue. Yes, ladies, I will not be using any glue to achieve this style. And she's going to be able to wear this style from 4 to 6 weeks. It's going to be stable, it's going to be secure, and she is going to have a natural, yes, a natural looking sew-in. So the key is to take your time and to be patient. This is a hairstyle that you yourself can do at home, or you can share it with your stylist. Again, this is a quick and easy hair weave that you can achieve at home with just your own simple tools of the sewing weave, the sewing weave needle, the hair. I did use a hair net or a weaving net. It does have clothes in it, as you can see, because I definitely want her hair to be able to be ventilated and for her to be able to, her hair to be able to breathe. Again, I'm using my custom closure. You can tap the link in the description below to get your order in today. My closures, again, are handmade by myself. They are reusable, they are affordable, and if you tap the link in the description, it will take you to my website and you can check them out there. I do have pre-braided closures and frontals as well for crochet styles. Yes, I do custom closures for crochet styles as well. So again, the key to this hairstyle is to take your time and be patient. It might take a little practice to get the hang of it, but trust me, it's all worth it in the end. Don't worry if it's not perfect. That's the beauty of a hair weave. It's easy to fix and adjust as you go. So as you can see here, I started with the nape of her neck, and I'm sewing in what I call my nape weave net. And this is going to give her the ability to be able to pull her hair up off of her neck and into a ponytail. So that way, if she wants to work out or anything, she can pull it up. And oh my gosh, look at these end results. This is the final look. I am absolutely obsessed with how it turned out. This hair weave added so much confidence and self-esteem to my client. And the best part, it's so easy to maintain. For the most part, she can wake up, get up, take her silk scarf off, and go. The possibilities are endless. So remember, don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. It's all a part of doing your hair, getting your hair done, and it's just all part of the fun. So as you can see, those are some of the before pictures, and these are the after pictures. Her hair is absolutely gorgeous. No one will ever know that she has any hair loss, any alopecia. Look how natural it looks in the front. this came out just gorgeous, and you too can wear these same hairstyles. So thanks so much for tuning in. If you like, please share some of your experiences with hair weaves in the comment below. If you have any tips or any tricks, if you are new here, please support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and please hit that bell. And I'll see you in the next video. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil. Yes, y'all, I am back again. It's what? Me, your girl T, and I'm dropping another video. So yes, y'all, let's get into it.